Alright, we're about to go on a little adventure together, because I have actually never used Dexter before. I tried it once with Galleon, and for some reason I kept getting errors. So we're going to try to connect to Tezos and see if we can't execute a Dexter trade. So that was connecting to Thanos. Fairly simple. Looks like it instantly worked. It's showing my token balance that I have in Thanos. And as you can see here, we have the exchange tab and the liquidity pool tab. Now to use liquidity pool, you first have to use the exchange tab and get yourself some USDTZ. So for simple purposes, we're just going to do a basic trade here. I'm going to do 10 for 37.42 USDTZ. But we are going to just see what happens. Alright, so that seemed to work. So now we are going to see right here that our token balance, I have 10 less XTZ, Tez, but I now am showing that I have 37.420431 of USDTZ. So I believe now we can go into the liquidity pool, and sure enough, yes, you want to do an even amount of USD Tez to, oh, it does it automatically. How cool is that? So if I want to add liquidity and I say, $10 worth of USDTZ, it automatically factors in how many XTZ you need to have a 1-to-1 ratio. And I believe all I would need to do now is add liquidity. Alright, so that's pending now. We're just going to wait a moment for the transaction to pend and see what it looks like. This is a learning process for me as we do this. But in general, the exciting thing about this is it is a placement point for expanding into all of that wrapped Ethereum DeFi coins that people are spending way too much gas to even try to trade. Soon they will be able to do that on Tezos. So the add to liquidity seemed to work, and I bet if I go to my pool tokens now, yeah, there we go. I have 3,362,480 pool tokens now, and they are currently redeemable for 2.664924 Tez and $10.02 worth of USDTZ. I hope that helps, and sorry if I missed any terminology. This is new to me, but I just wanted to do a live trade on Dexter to show everybody that it is possible.